Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video for PandaHall. I was sent several kits this past week by PandaHall that I chose from their website, and I've been making one video per kit. This is the third kit. Now this is just a small one, and just like every other video, all links will be down below in the description. Now this one comes with the sticky tape and a box of silver and gold bezels in various colours. I just thought these were really cool. I want to work with the gold ones today. Now I think most of these kind of things work well with UV resin, but I am trying to do everything with epoxy resin today. Okay. Now I've got a few ideas for these, so I might make 3 sets at the same time. So the first thing I'm going to do is put the sticky tape on the back of every single one that I'm going to use. So these are going to be the pair of earrings with the least amount of resin. I'm going to make a pair. I think these will be pretty cool. I'm just pushing the eyelets together, and I can actually add things into those little holes later if needs be. So that's going to be the first pair. I'm going to take different size circles and just make like a pattern across the whole thing. So once I had that all filled in, I'm going to do the last ones, which I'm going to do, hopefully space these. I'm just going to cut off their little bits, and I'm going to make myself a starry sky. So with these ones, I'm not sure if the resin is going to seep into the little circles, because a lot of these jump rings were not very flat. I could go around the edges of them with a little tiny bit of UV resin, but I think I'm going to be leaving holes in this one, so I'm not too fussed about this one. But I'm going to start with a simple one. And we're going to leave those two just plain and simple like this. Now these are the ones I'm most worried about having leakage. Those jump rings are not very closed as they are, so I'm really going to press every one of those jump rings down. If it does leak into them, it is what it is. I'm going for very sheer colours on this one anyway. Okay, for the third one, we're doing our little space theme. So I've got a whole bunch of mica powders to make my background. I'm undecided which, so maybe them all. And I'm going to mix some new resin because I ran out. I don't need a whole lot of resin for this. I'm also a bit worried about this one that is slightly bent. Well, here's hoping nothing leaks. Okay, so I'm just going to leave all of them to set up, and hopefully there'll be no leakage into the stars and things. My circle one, I don't mind leakage in that. And with the stuff that's left, I'm actually going to just use up and make some little coloured hearts. So before I go, I think I'm going to add some little tiny silver stars to this. Okay, so these have cured up for a few hours now, and I think this one needs a clear coat, this one needs a clear coat, and this one I'm going to fill in the stars and the moon with a little bit of colour. I was going to leave them open and see through, but I think I won't colour in them. Okay, so it's next morning and we are going to peel these off the plastic. I also did one off camera that I'm in the process of putting together, just because. Okay, so that's all I'm going to do to all of them when they are cured. I'm going to finish off the black pair too, and then once all of that is done and everything is cured and at this stage, I will come back and show you how I'm going to finish them. Okay, so we're back to these. Now, excuse the state of my hands. I'm working on more than one video at a time, so when I jump between projects I end up a mess. And this is a combination of super glue and spray paint that is not coming off even though I've washed my hands. So now we are going to get back to these. I haven't done the back of these ones yet. They only cured this morning, but these are all ready to go. And I think I'm going to drill my holes back in, because I wasn't particularly careful. Okay, so I got my partner to drill these for me with his drill, because my Dremel bit for some reason was not fitting into my Dremel. So he did these for me, and we're going to turn these into earrings. But there we go, there is the rest of them. I will take some pictures of them nicely arranged out in the sunshine so you get to see the full effect. But there we go. I hope this gave you some ideas on how to use these ring bezels from PandaHall, and that you can do pretty much any style. You can put anything in them. You can be as basic or as complicated as you like. Using charms inside of them works a dream with that tape. This is very good. This beats any of the other tapes I've used in the past. And I hope you like how this turned out. And I will see you for the next project. Do not forget to subscribe and hit that little bell notification button, because it really helps my channel. If you comment, if you like my videos, if you follow me, it all gives me a boost in the algorithms and it really helps me be seen. So I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!